Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, today we're going to recheck and also solve the workbook page number 79. So everyone first open your workbook page 79. If you already done, good. So the first statement is here on your workbook page 79. That is from your chapter number 4 and lesson 2. So ecosystems are changed by living organisms that change the environment around them and by dash events. Which events? The correct answer is here. Natural event such as floods. Number 2, humans can change or destroy the dash. AP habitats of organisms when they cut to build home. When they cut forests. Now, after solving statement number 2, let's move on statement number 3. Some organisms respond to changes in ecosystem by adopting or dash to migrating to another place, mean to say move. When a type of organism cannot respond to changes in an ecosystem, it may become extinct. Number 5, when a species is endangered or of extinction, it is called dash species, endangered species. Statement number 6, species that could become endangered because of their low populations are known as dash. Threatened species. The biggest threat to a species is to lose of dash their place where they live, their homes. So what we can call here habitat. The last statement on your workbook page number 79 is number 7. Over time, one group of species in an ecosystem is replaced by a different group of species through a process called succession. So after solving page number 79, the next page on your workbook is 81. So let's see them. Here actually you need to write the correct letter, okay? So you should know that what letter will come in which statement. So we're gonna actually match them with the correct description letter. So you need to just write here letters, okay? So number 1, establishment of the first living community to develop in an area that used to be lifeless is called. So the correct letter is here D. So what is D? That is endangered species. Now, number two, when a species dies out completely, sorry, the D is pioneer community. Yeah, not I did not this one. The D is pioneer community. Okay, not endangered. Now, number two, when a species dies out completely, the species is number two. The correct one is here C. So C is extinct. Number three, establishment of a new community where a community had already existed is called, that is G. So the G correct one is secondary succession. Number four, the process of one ecosystem gradually changing into a different type of ecosystem is called. So number four, the correct is here H. So H stands for succession. A species that is endangered to becoming extinct is A or N dash. So number five, that is B. Yeah, so this one is endangered species. Number six, in the final stage of succession, dash develops. So what develop? The correct word you need to write letter here A, that is climax community. Number seven, one of the first species to live in an area that used to be lifeless is, so we need to write here letter E, which represents pioneer species, succession that occurs where there is no soil and where few, if any living thing exists is. So the number eight, the last one, we know that that is F. So this is the primary succession. After solving page number 81, we move to the next page of your workbook, that is 83. So please everyone open your workbook page number 83. Now the first, this is your chapter number 4, but lesson number 3. Each of Earth's major land ecosystem is a dash. So you know very well, as the name of the lesson is biome. So this is also the correct answer is biome. Now each biome has its own specific animals, plants, soils, and dash and climate. So number two, there are also two blanks. Statement number two, a sandy or rocky biome with a dry climate is a dash. So you know very well, desert. Some organisms have dash that allow them to survive in dry region. They change their self, so we can say that adaptations. Now, statement number three on your workbook page number 83, the ground in the dash stays frozen. Which area you can say that, or which biome? That is tundra. So trees cannot grow where this layer of constantly frozen ground called dash. Perma forest. Number four, some grasses dash, name of the grasses, mosses, and dash grows in tundra, lichens. Okay. Number five, Although few animals live in the tundra, so this is your dash bear, which bear? Polar bear. And Arctic too do make their or you can write even foxes, both the correct one, okay? But you can choose only one, no problem. Number 6, the dash is a cool. First, which one? That is Ikea, just south of the tundra. Now number 7, the dash, sorry, the dominant type of vegetation in the Ikea. Which type of, you can say that the plants or trees are present here? These are conifers, or you can say that evergreen trees. Okay. Now the last one on page number 83, many of the organic animals in the taiga have thick dash. So, and layers of fat protect them from cold weather. So we know that there is a coat or fur. There is you. Okay. Now, after solving this page, let's move to the next page from your workbook, that is page number 84. So please open your workbook page 84 and we're going to complete this one if you're not done. And if there is any spelling mistake, please make it correct. So number 9, a hot biome near the equator that has lots of rain and more plants and animals than any other biome is the dash that we name as tropical rainforest. Okay, number 10. This biome has 4 layers. With different plants and animals in each one. Number 11, the dash rainforest. Which rainforest? Temperate. Temperate rainforest. Biome has lots of rain and cooler climate than tropical. Okay, number 12. The dash is a forest biome with 4 seasons. Okay, so that one is your deciduous forest. Number 13, winter in the deciduous forest can be cold and many animals hibernate, meaning to say they will sink down or sleep for a long time period. To warmer climate, they wait, so we can say that migrate. Or even you can write here, move to warmer climate. Now, the second last one on your workbook page 84, the dash is a biome where grasses. So you can say that this one is your grassland. Number 15, the grassland biome is wetter than that of the deserts, but does not have enough precipitation to support many Freeze. Precipitation mean to say rain like this, okay? Freeze. So after solving and knowing the answers, next we move to workbook page number 85. So here we need to use below help to fill in the blanks. The dash is a large treeless biome. So this one is your tundra. Number two, a very rainy biome called dash. This one is called temperate rainforest. Number three, any of Earth's major land ecosystem with its own typical plant, soil, same again the definition that we already done. This one is your biome. Now statement number four, the dash is a cool northern forest. So this one is your taiga. The dash forest biome with 4 seasons. So you know very well, this one is your so deciduous forest is written already, no need to write again. Okay. Number 6, the dash is a sandy and rocky biome. You are familiar with this. This is your desert. Now, a few trees, or you can say that the grasses are there, so vegetation. So that one is your grassland. Now, the last statement on workbook page number 85 is the dash rainforest is hot, humid biome. That is your tropical rainforest. Okay. Now, let's move to the last page of your workbook, that is 86. So everyone, here we again need to complete the blank. Earth has major land ecosystem called biome. We know each of these has its own typical animal, plant, soils, and that is the correct one is here, climate. The dash biome is hot, so that is your tropical rainforest biome is hot and dash and what? Rainy all the time and has more types of plants and animals than any other, but there are also dash rainforest. So there is also another type of rainforest. This one is named as temperate rainforest, which are rainy but have a cooler climate than tropical forest. In the dash biome, deciduous trees in which type of this one? So we can say that that is your deciduous forest biome. These are dash trees. So we can say that lose their leaves each season. So we can say that hardwood trees. North of this biome is the dash with this with its rules. So this one is your height. Almost the second last blank in the second paragraph. Biome tundra, which is treeless area with a layer of dash, layer of permafrost. And again, another largely treeless biome is the dash where grasses. So that again your grassland.